Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a talking avatar just like this. You can sign up to create your own and you can try to follow along and see what you can create with this technology. Right, so to start with, let's start by learning how to access the AI tool. And the AI tool we're talking about today is Mango AI, which is accessible by just coming to your browser and just typing on mangoanimate.com. And it will be brought in over here. So you can see the different popular animation software on Mango Animate. You have Mango AM, Mango WM, Mango CM, and so much more. These are stunning videos made with Mango AI Video Maker. You can see them. You can play to have a preview from healthcare video templates to training video templates to food video templates and so on. You can have the avatar directly talking to your audience, describing different kind of products and services and so on. So it's very, very interesting to try this. So let's go ahead and start by creating an AI avatar from here. This is enable us to sign up. Okay, so what we're targeting is a talking avatar. So you can come to all tools from here and you can see you have talking photo, talking cartoon, talking animals and so on. AI avatar. So our main target is AI avatar. So we can click on AI avatar and then you'll be brought in over here. So once you're here, the first thing is you can, of course, start by typing the script. If you have it already somewhere, you can just go ahead and paste it. And if you don't have, you can go to ChatGPT, of course, and generate something simple, and then you can paste it. So the first step is the script. The second step is selecting of the avatar. You can see different types of avatars that you can directly select and use for your content. And the last step is selecting the background, okay? So you can change the background of the avatar depending on what kind of setting you are dealing with. If it is a tutorial video, you can have a different avatar. You have the avatar talk to people directly, or you can have a setting, something like an office setting or the about. You can see multiple different kind of background settings that you can add directly into your video, and then you can of course upload your own. If you don't want to use any of the ones that they provide, you can go ahead directly and upload your own, and then it can serve as your own background. Now the next thing is, in terms of the avatars, you can have dynamic avatars. These are photo avatars that are static. You can have dynamic ones that have gestures, and they can move from one angle to another, demonstrating some key non-verbal skills to show that they are actually talking. So depending on which one you are trying to create, you can select a particular avatar. And then you can use custom photo also. If you don't want to use the existing ones, you can import your own photo and you can have it talk to people directly. And the next thing is down here, you can have the avatar settings. You have facial pose, cartoon lip sync. If you can enable all this, or you can change the quality of the video, you can change all of that from here. And then you have the video settings, which is the last part of it. You have the resolution. You can change from 1080p up to 720p, but for now, let's keep it at 720. If you're creating a YouTube video, it's quite okay. The aspect ratio, you can vary the aspect ratio as however you want it, and then you can add intro and transitions and subtitles. You can enable all of this if you're interested. Background music, you can add background music of different types. They have series of background music from ancestry to beats to brisks to childlike to ease and so on. So much to add, and you can upload your own also in cases if you don't have to use their own available background music, maybe because of copyright issues, you can upload your own as well. Once you select any, you can confirm this, and this is going to be your background music. Now let's say for the starting, we're going to go with a static photo, and we're going to select one of the AI images. Let's go with this guy, and let's maintain this background. So the text, let's go to ChatGPT, and let's start a new chat. Let's say, can you create a 50 words text for an avatar video? Okay, so let's click on enter, and then it's going to generate this 50 word text. So you can just go ahead and copy this, and let's see, we can go back to that platform. And then we can now paste in this. So we can go back to script and then paste in this, and then we can come down, maintain the background. Everything here will be kept at default. We can just go ahead and say generate. So of course you have to log in. I'm going to log in with one of my Google accounts. Okay, let's go to the script. Okay, let's go ahead and say generate. Let's give some seconds and let's see what it's going to generate for us. Alright, so the video is ready, so let's play it to have a preview. In this video, we'll explore some incredible tools and tips to help you master insert topic. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we got you covered with easy to follow steps. So let's dive right in and unlock your full potential. Okay, fantastic. You have the option to download the video directly from here. You can just click to download and you can share it directly. As you click on share, you have the option to share on Facebook, to share on Twitter, and to copy the link also and share with people. All right, so very easily you can do all of this, or you can download it. All right, so that's basically it. You can go ahead and try on your own and explore and see what you can create with this. At the start, you can check the pricing, so you can be able to see you have up to total 3 minutes of video generation for a free plan, and the starter plan is very cheap, as well as the pro plan. So feel free to just explore and see if you can utilize any of them. These are the features that you have access to, and then you can try on your own and see if you can generate your talking avatar with this very tool. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Please remember to give this video a like. Thank you and see you around.